Okay, here's a quick video on visualizing Python pandas merging in row 64. So just off the start, I'm going to go here and just show you a super basic example. I'm opening a recipe that is auto-generating Python and pandas. So if I come here and run this example, I am doing a merge here. We're loading two files, and basically we look at the input. It's merged them together, and the shared lines that's pulled all the pieces. So as a Python pandas user, this is handy because it's just gone and gives me the Python code, and I can copy that and use it however. Row 64 is kind of like a visualizer for pandas data frames and for Python. And when we get into more complex merges, let's say I'm just going to do an example on a join. I'm going to do a left join. So you can see very quickly it's come in and pulled all this data together, and we can visualize what's happened. We can visualize it's generating that Python code for us, and we can copy paste that into another project or use it here. We can also, if I do a left join, I'm going to grab an outer join. Actually, outer join is cool because here, and I can just say sort A to Z, you can visualize your whole merge. Like, this is something that's really annoying when you're only in code. You have to just see what you're doing with your merge. So you can see the outer join, you see, this is the both case where they're in the center here. The left is the case on the outside, and the right's on the inside. So this is like a really easy way to visualize what's happening with your merge. We also have a bunch of other edge cases. Like, merge is not a one-size-fit-all. Sometimes you want to be doing an append type operation where you're just jamming the data onto the bottom, and that's all here. You want to do a fuzzy merge, for example. So this is calling a bunch of Python code that is using rapid fuzz, and then it's giving a score of the match. It's matching misspellings with words, and then attaching all the data to it. And all these things are kind of time consuming in Python and pandas. Like, I think any serious user of them knows how to do this stuff, but it takes time to visualize it and get to your thing to work. So row 64 is a very handy tool for lining up data and merging and aligning.